It's because in Colombia we also like our street food is always like deep fried, and the taste of this one is kind of similar of that.
Yes, I've heard of Sampe and I love it so much.
Oh no way!
You should have yourself a little street cart.
Hai teman-teman semua, balik lagi di BNay channel. Semoga teman-teman dalam keadaan yang baik-baik saja dan pastinya masih selalu mantengin BNay channel. Ya teman-teman, untuk hari ini itu akan jadi vlog perdananya aku yang bisa dibilang bikin deg-degan ya teman-teman, karena memang nggak gampang bikin vlognya dan aku tuh masih kayak ragu-ragu, but I think I just gonna make it. Jadi idenya ini sebenarnya udah datang dari kapan hari, udah lama banget teman-teman, cuman aku tuh masih belum berani eksekusi karena juga kan aku kerja ya. Nah sekarang karena aku udah resign, jadi aku punya waktu, dan juga kalau musim panas gini tuh paling seru untuk bikin konten. Nah makanya aku tuh kepikiran untuk mau bikin konten outdoor teman-teman. Oh my god. Ya, untuk konten outdoor pertama kali perdananya BNay itu aku mau bikin tada, apalagi kalau bukan ya tempe goreng tepung teman-teman. Yang ini adalah ultimate Indonesian meal banget, dan berhubung di Kanada tempe itu sebenarnya udah mulai populer ya teman-teman. Jadi kalau misalnya kita itu pergi ke supermarket yang organik, itu banyak tempe sekarang bisa ditemuin tapi made in Kanada gitu. Aduh capek tangannya megang. Jadi tempenya itu yang made in Kanada. Jadi kalau buat aku sih masih kurang gimana ya, kurang ideal karena kan aku orang Indonesia. Jadi aku tuh sukanya yang tempenya Indonesia gitu. Nah kalau made in Kanada itu teman-teman ini soybeannya itu packed banget. Kalau ini kan kita masih lihat ada putih-putihnya ya. Nah kalau tempenya made in Kanada itu masih belum sempurna kalau menurut aku ya. Jadi pertama kita harus masak dulu, dan setelah itu baru kita bakal out to the daerah sekitaran building aja ya. Soalnya biar tempenya ntar tetap anget gitu. Kalau misalnya jauh banget ntar udah keburu dingin jadi kurang enak. Oh dan juga sebenarnya alasan kenapa aku tuh masih nggak pede bikin konten makanan yang pergi keluar itu karena gini teman-teman, Kanada itu negara-negara western itu untuk masalah food itu bener-bener ini ketat banget ya. Jadi kalau kita misalnya, plus juga nih teman-teman ada yang nanya kakak kenapa nggak jualan aja gitu kan ya. Jadi kalau aku mau jualan tuh teman-teman aku harus ngurus license ya. Jadi di sini tuh kita nggak bisa asal mau jualan coba-coba gitu, nggak bisa. Nah makanya aku sih ini mungkin kayak gray areanya tuh karena aku kasih gratis ya. Terus kayak mereka mau nyoba apa enggak gitu. So okay, let's go. Sama Mbak Mawar, sorry banget ya, Mbak Mawarnya minta maaf karena dia lagi off dulu. Nah hari ini kita mau masak masakan yang paling dicintai oleh orang Indonesia, apalagi kalau bukan apa? Ya bener, tempe goreng tepung crunchy. Nah untuk bahannya itu juga bahan bumbunya sangat basic banget ya. Jadi cuman butuh bawang putih, ketumbar bubuk, dan juga garam. Nah itu diulek-ulek sampai halus, baru kita bisa tambahkan ke adonannya. Nah ini aku pakai daun bawang ya. Kayaknya emang wajib ya kalau bikin tempe goreng gitu. Tempe goreng tepung pakai daun bawang. Nah ini daun bawangnya diiris kecil-kecil aja. Nah aku itu ini resep aku kalau boleh jujur ya teman-teman, ini belum perfect gitu. Nah jadi aku pengen banget kalau teman-teman yang ada resep apa sih namanya tempe yang lebih bagus yang bikin tetap crunchy, tolong di share dong karena aku tuh masih kayak coba gitu ya. Jadi ini tempenya itu aku bumbu halusnya aku campurkan air supaya teman-teman lihat, terus pakai kunyit. Terus ini aku rendam, nggak aku rendam sih, jadi kayak aku masukin tempenya satu persatu biar ada rasanya gitu. Nah baru airnya itu aku tambahin tepung teman-teman. Nah seperti teman-teman lihat, itu aku mixing tepung biasa sama tepung beras ya, karena katanya biar bikin crunchy. Nah pertanyaannya aku nih ya teman-teman, gimana sih caranya supaya crunchy-nya itu awet gitu? Karena aku kalau misalnya bikin crunchy-nya itu nggak bisa lama awetnya teman-teman. Nah kalau teman-teman berkenan, tolong share banget ya di kolom komen gimana sih caranya supaya si tempe ini stay crunchy-nya dalam waktu yang lama. Thank you.
So, hi guys, so we have our neighbor Hero. His name Wayne.
Oh boy.
Wayne is always kind and always clean up our park just for the sake of the kids and the dogs. Thank you so much, Wayne.
You're welcome.
And Wayne is gonna be our first guest to try Indonesian snack.
Oh, it looks good.
Yeah, so Indonesian love to eat that.
Smells good too.
Have you tried a tofu before?
No, first
No?
time.
This is your first time?
But
Yeah,
that's
so-
delicious, whatever it's made out of.
Yeah, so you told me you were a cook, right? Or you're still a cook?
No, I'm an old person now.
Have you tried Indonesian food before?
No, this is it.
This is it, your first time. This is Sampe. It's very famous in Indonesia. I'm from Indonesia, by the way. I don't know if you know.
Where do you get this?
I'm from Indonesian supermarket. So we have one at the Marine Drive.
Okay.
Yes, I bought it there, and then I cook it. So it's fresh.
Wow.
I just made it today.
Well, it is good. It's really tasty. I
Great.
gotta find out where you live so I can knock on your door and get more.
Great.
You should have yourself a little street cart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People keep telling me to do that.
And then just go to Robson.
You're
Robson
right?
Street.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
'cause
didn't know
it's-
it's hard to get a license.
Donate it to charity. You don't need one, I don't think.
Oh.
So do the charity thing. Huh?
Right.
You still do? Oh, it said you still do.
Yeah, so I.
Yeah, they get 75,000 people a day going through that.
That's a lot of
Oh, you'd be successful with it.
Thank you so much, Wayne. Thank you.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay, thank you so much. So, hi guys. May I know your name? Hi, I'm Lauren.
Aaron.
Hi, Aaron. Did you guys go from Canada?
Ireland. Irish.
From Ireland. Oh, nice. So you mentioned before you went to Indonesia.
Yes,
Yeah.
we spent a month maybe in
Yeah.
Indonesia. A month.
Wow. So I don't know. I'm sure maybe you might try this before.
Maybe.
But let's see.
Okay.
Because you were in Bali, so you might try already some Indonesian meal.
Yeah,
So we'll see if you like it.
let's do it.
Yeah. So this is tempe.
Okay.
Ooh. Yeah. Have you tried tempe before in Indonesia?
Maybe. I don't know.
You know.
I can't remember.
Yeah. So tempe is actually a vegetarian and it's kind of like source of a protein.
Okay.
Coming from soybean. So if you're familiar with
Sure.
tofu, it's actually the cousin from tofu.
Okay.
Yeah.
It looks so good.
Sounds delicious. Yeah. So have a
Okay. I love peanut sauce.
I might just try the same one.
Yeah.
It's a bit spicy, so.
Is it nice? It's really. It is very spicy. Not so spicy.
I have drinks if you want. I bring everything.
Oh, really? Yes, yes.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So this is.
That's tofu?
This is tempe. The name is tempe.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, you can find it already in a lot of supermarket.
Yeah.
It's delicious. Yeah.
Very good. Really like it.
satay sauce.
Yes, that's the sauce.
Yeah. Yeah. This kind of we use a lot of peanut sauce for everything. Like for satay, it's just the way we prepare it a little bit different.
Yeah.
Some with some different ingredients, and then but the taste of peanut is still strong.
Yeah.
It's really good.
So what did you try in Bali? Did you try any Indonesian food? Or?
Yeah, we did.
Coconut fill crepes.
Oh, what are the green pancakes? The green
Pandan.
pandan
Oh,
leaf.
finally!
Yeah,
Yes,
they're like green crepes with coconut flakes.
Oh yeah.
Amazing.
Oh,
That was
I
in Ubud.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a beautiful place.
Beautiful place. Yeah, I'm trying to think of some of the dinners that we had. It was all local stuff. Yeah, I can't exactly
Yeah,
remember.
they-
I was- and Balinese coffee, I just thought was the
Oh
nicest
yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
ever. Next time we bump into you, you can give us
Really
those.
appreciate for your time, guys. Thank you
No problem.
so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Hi guys. Sorry. Yeah. Can I know your name?
Aaron.
Aaron, and your name? Alejandra. Alejandra, hi guys. So thank you so much. Well, my name is Nancy. I am from Indonesia. Have you ever heard about country name Indonesia? Yes. Yeah? Oh, okay, awesome. I always have to ask because not so many people have heard about a country, so that's why. But I'm so happy you ever heard about it. So the food I have over here, this is a very like a typical Indonesian snack.
Oh,
Yeah, I think like maybe in the Latino country, like there's a taco, or maybe from your different country. Oh, sorry, where are you from again?
Cancun, Mexico.
Mexico, and then you are from Colombia. Colombia. So I think from your country you have a lot of like different snacks too, right? So yeah, the name is tempe. It's a fried tempe. Yeah. Have you ever had? Yeah. But do you know about tofu? Yeah. So this is actually from the same soybeans. Like tofu, but they have just different way to process it. So tofu is a bit more like soft. Tempe is like hard, so you keep the soybeans and then like ferment it. Yeah. try. If you want, you can try with the peanut sauce, or you just try it like that.
Peanut sauce? I think I'll
Is this
just
the
try it
peanut?
like this.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
You want to share?
Yeah, they have half, yes. Just in case.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. Yeah. Totally fine.
Yes.
Very nice. Oh.
Yeah, if you want, you can dip it in there. Or I got a spoon over here too. The sauce is a bit spicy, but I think the best can handle it.
So you just deep fry?
Yes, the fresh one is
Can
gonna
I
be
try with your sauce?
That's yeah.
Is it spicy? Like really, really spicy?
No.
Okay.
I think it's a bit okay.
I'm okay,
guess-
like, I don't mind spicy.
Yeah,
You
I
like
know
it
many
spicy?
I'm
boys-
used to spicy.
Yeah, I know my Mexican
Oh.
friends, they're all crazy with spicy.
Very
Okay.
sweet too.
We can feel the taste of the chili of the sauce.
Yeah, that's a bit spicy. This spiciness, not too strong, but a little bit spicy.
Yeah,
Right?
it's nice. I like it.
Which one is better? Like you just eat like that or with the sauce?
With the sauce,
With
I
the
would
sauce,
say.
With the
Yeah.
sauce, yeah. I believe that too. That's
Yeah.
why I brought it with me.
Mhm.
Oh, it's still crunchy. I'm happy.
I feel like a really, really common plate in Indonesia.
Yeah, so in Indonesia, maybe like in Mexico, when everyone loves tacos, this is kind of our street food. So
Tempe, you said, right?
Tempe, yeah, because it's very cheap. It's only maybe $1 for like 6 of it.
Oh,
Yeah, and then it's not like a dinner, so it's snacks. So it's really nice.
that's cute. I like
Yeah.
it.
What do you like about that?
Hmm?
What do you like about that?
So it's quite similar to something that we have in Cancun, in Mexico. I would say it's kind of like, I don't know if you've heard of tamales before. So there's one kind that I like in that it's far from, because we have like different kind of tamales in all Mexico. But from where I'm from, which is Cancun, there's one that it's quite similar to this, that it's really thin and crunchy. So it tastes quite the same. It's corn with, no, with eggs and this special like plant that I don't recall the name of it. So I wouldn't, I wouldn't know how to tell it. Yeah, but it's really nice. I like it.
It's because in Colombia we also like our street food is always like deep fried, and the taste of this one is kind of similar to the deep fried like food that we used to eat back home. It's nice that you can. We also in Colombia we put a lot of. We try to mix salty with sweet. So I think this is also something similar that we have back home. That this one is salty, kind of, but you add a sauce that is like sweet and spicy at the same time. So I think from different cultures we have something similar that is food. Yeah, deep fried especially. But yeah, it's really nice. I like it.
Oh, thank you so much.
No, thank you to want to share with us. Yeah, of course.
Hi, yeah, my name is Akash and I'm from Bangladesh. Yeah, I've heard of Sampe, but I never tried it before.
Never tried before. Yeah, that
This is gonna be my first time. This is crispy.
Yeah.
And it's nice actually.
Yeah?
So let me try it with the sauce.
With the peanut sauce. It's a bit spicy, but maybe you eat spicy there.
Yeah, I can handle spice.
Yeah.
Well, it's not that spicy for me, but
No, I know.
yeah,
Oh, yeah, that's
it's good. It's really good. This sauce is really good.
Yeah, with the peanut sauce.
Yeah,
So this is your first time eating.
yeah, this is my first time, and yeah, it's really good.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, thank you for this.
Yeah, of course, of course. So what do you like about that tempeh?
I like a little bit of salty food, so I think this a little salty, and I like that. And the spices actually with the sauce, it tastes really good.
Yeah.
Because I don't prefer bland food, and this is not bland at all because it has spices, so that's why I like it very much.
Do you have like a tempeh or like soybean products in Bangladesh? Back in Bangladesh?
Yeah, there are a lot of Indonesian restaurants in Bangladesh.
Oh, really?
Actually, a lot of people from Bangladesh travel to Indonesia. They go to Bali, so everything from Indonesia is really popular in Bangladesh.
I didn't know that. Oh my goodness. But have you like tried any Indonesian food before?
Yeah, no, not yet actually. Yeah,
So this is your first time.
Yeah, this is my
right?
first time.
Interesting, right? And do you have any kind of similar like this in Bangladesh?
In Bangladesh, I don't think we have anything similar to this one. No.
Anything deep fried?
Well, we have a lot of fried stuff, but nothing tastes similar to this one actually.
Okay. Alright, thank you so
Yeah,
my gosh,
thank
for your
you.
time. Have a
Bye.
good day. Bye. Hi, my name is Nancy. I'm from Indonesia and I have an Indonesian snacks for you. Are you up to try?
Oh, yes.
Awesome. May I know your name first?
My name is Ella.
Ella?
Yes.
Okay. How about you?
Mariana.
Mariana. Hi guys. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
Oh, right. Our Brazilian friends. Okay, what I have over here, it's made from soybeans. The name is the tempeh. Yeah, it's a deep fried tempeh.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard about tempeh?
Yes, I've heard of tempeh and I love it so much.
Oh, no
Yeah.
way. So cool. How about you, Mariana?
I don't
The
know.
first
It's gonna be
time?
my first time.
Okay,
Yeah.
awesome. So, yeah, well, have a try.
Nice. Thank you.
Go ahead.
And what's this sauce made of?
That's made of
you.
peanuts, so if you don't have
No,
peanut
I don't
allergy-
have
Okay,
allergies.
that's
Okay.
good. Yeah, that's a bit spicy, slightly spicy. I can
So
see
good.
you really enjoying it.
Wow, it's so nice. So well seasoned.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I'm happy. It is really easy to try too.
It's really good. So tasty.
Yeah?
So tasty. Yes.
Oh,
Your sauce
thank
is
you so much.
amazing. No
Sorry, I
worries.
have to do like this because it's a microphone.
Thank you.
You said you know tempeh before. Where do you heard
Yes.
about it?
I know tempeh because almost 2 years ago I started stopping eating meat, so I went into a sort of vegetarian.
Right.
And then I rely on tofu a lot because I love tofu.
That's
And
right.
then I heard of tempeh, and tempeh has an even better texture when it comes
Oh,
to
yes.
like the fibers.
Exactly.
So, and the flavor is very good too.
Oh,
Yeah. Thank
how
you.
do you normally cook your tempeh?
I usually just season it. So if I'm depending on the seasons that I'm making, if I'm making something more curry, or if I'm making kind of like a burger almost type.
Yeah.
And then I either pan fry it or I put it in the air fryer.
Oh, right.
Yes.
So, yeah, you know exactly what to do with the
Yeah,
tempeh.
it's so delicious.
Yeah, so this is one of the variants for you if you want to learn.
Yeah, I would love to. How
Yeah.
did you make this one?
It's very easy. So you basically cut the tempeh in a small slice,
Mm-hmm.
and then you need flour, so regular flour, and then with the green onion, garlic, so you crush it,
Mhm.
and then just mix it together, and you fry it.
Amazing. It's very, very good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so happy.
Thank you.
Mariana.
Hello.
Hi.
I'm really enjoying this. It's so
Oh.
crunchy.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. This is really so good. I usually only have tempeh like a little skinnier.
Yeah.
I've never had it in this format, and it's very, very delicious.
And actually, I'm open to invite people to come over to my place, and I'll cook Indonesian meal.
Ooh,
And I'm gonna make
nice.
vegetarian version for you.
Oh, nice.
Are you up
Thank
for it,
you.
Mariana?
Yes, I am.
Yeah,
Thank you.
cool.
So, I heard of tempeh for the first time. I think I was just on the grocery and I saw a little packaged tempeh, and it was very interesting, but I don't think I cooked it right the first time. And then I was on TikTok later on, and I think I saw Lizzo eating with it, and then I was like, "Oh, that is very interesting." So I started trying it again and using it with other recipes.
Right.
So yeah, it's definitely one of my favorites when I'm craving something with a little bit of fiber. It's very good.
Right.
It's my first time, and it was really well seasoned and really crunchy. It was my first time. I never tried, so I don't really know how to compare, but it was really good experience. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mariana.
Jadi ya aku cari orang-orang yang mau nyobain makanan Indonesianya itu pas di depan apartemen aku banget. Jadi kebetulan di depan apartemen itu ada park itu nih kalau teman-teman mau lihat. Ini bentuk parknya, itu building aku. Ya, nah jadi aku cuma approaching teman orang-orang yang memang lagi nyantai, lagi ngaso gitu, terus aku tawarin makanan Indonesia. Dan aku juga share buat beberapa orang yang memang karena mereka mau nyobain tapi mereka nggak mau masuk di video, so it's fine. So aku tetap bagiin buat mereka pertama kali nyoba. Dan surprising banget, ternyata ini pertama kali banget untuk banyak orang nyobain tempe. So yeah, I'm so excited, dan kemungkinan beberapa dari mereka aku bakal invite main ke rumah untuk nyobain makanan Indonesia. So stay tuned guys.